I wanted to break down everything and I wanted to make it as real as possible. ठीक है. Now you told
Yeah.
कि यार competition basically makes you negative. Competition से you get those hard feelings के someone is above me, I'm below, all of that. And for the audience
Yeah.
who are listening to this, they heard this and they are like, okay, competition is bad. But okay, so let me be real over here. So you are currently in your MBA right now, ठीक है?
Yeah.
You're pursuing your MBA from IIM Udaipur. IIM क्रैक कर लिया सबसे पहले, मम्मी डैडी मस्त खुश होंगे उससे. बट पॉइंट बीइंग के
यार
वहां पहुंचने के लिए ऑल्सो आई कांट बिलीव द फैक्ट कि यू माइट हैव नॉट गॉन थ्रू कंपटीशन. ठीक है, आई मॉक टेस्ट होती होंगी तुम्हारी, उसमें तुमको स्लैक रैंकिंग मिलती होगी कि ओके तुम्हारे से ऊपर इतने लोग हैं, तुम्हारे से नीचे इतने लोग हैं. ये परसेंटाइल का होल कॉन्सेप्ट ही वो है. सो बीइंग इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ दैट, बीइंग इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ इट, ओके, वो एंटायर जोन के बीच में रह के हाउ आर यू like able to avoid competition, because like you literally would be receiving results of your competition. So how do you dodge that bullet?
So basically let me be frank over, you cannot dodge that bullet because this is what you have signed for. If you are participating in a competition and if you are preparing for CAT or any competitive exam as such, it is competitive exam. You are going there because it is a competitive exam. So rather than running away from it, you just need to accept the fact that you signed up for this and you be mentally prepared for this. If you didn't want to do this at first, you shouldn't have signed up for that. But if you did, the agenda behind that is a race. It is a rat race. Come on, it's not just about competitive exam. Life is a rat race. Everybody wants to be better than the other people. But not everybody comes from the same background. Like I come from a very simple town. You must be coming from a different town. But you are comparing yourself with a person who is completely different, and it's just not relevant. Okay, so rather than dodging that bullet, you should compare yourself with what you have done yesterday. Even if you are growing in terms of maturity and not in terms of marks, it's good because you have learned it. Even if you are going in terms of becoming a person who is just accepting him or herself, it's good. You are ultimately growing. So it's not just about marks. It's about what being better than what you were yesterday. So for me it was difficult. Like for everyone it was difficult, just like for everyone. I'm not saying that I am different, that I've gone through this and it was difficult. So I couldn't clear my CAT exam at first attempt because I was going through a phase of depression and all. And that's where the idea of the Happiness Foundation start, that spreading awareness about mental health. So that was very difficult because many of my friends could clear the exam at the very first. Then I took a drop and spent some time for myself, gave myself a break. So that 1 year period of time felt like a lag, that you are lagging behind the people who are of the same age. But
so
at the same
just brief some details over here, like what had been your timeline, like which year did you clear your schooling, then engineering kab khatam hua, and then when was CAT first attempt and second attempt kab hua?
So I completed my 12th in 2015. Then I joined BVM Engineering College in 2015 itself. Then I passed out in 2019. And I graduated in 2019, and I appeared for CAT for the first time in 2018. I couldn't clear it. It was a pathetic attempt. Even after getting calls from some decent college, I was like, nahi karna yaar, mujhe nahi karna, because the phase was like this, ki I just want to, didn't want to do anything. Then I decided that I want to give myself another chance. Like even if people were like, हाँ ये college मिल गया, join color, it's good, you shouldn't do it again and again. But giving yourself another chance is a very, very important thing, and you should do it more often than not. So it was like making a strong decision for yourself, ki just do it, it's okay. And if second time and nahi ho raha, you'll figure it out what is meant for you. And then I came to Vadodara for coaching and all, and then I appeared for 2019 again. And here I am. I cleared.
You have done some job and stuff as well, right? In the meanwhile.
That was not like, that was just temporarily because I wanted to convince my parents that I am not just, doing preparation for us to for exam, because for them it's difficult to accept that the child is doing just preparing for exam. For them
Repeating
it's
an year,
risky.
basically.
It's repeating in year, and that is not acceptable for them because they have never seen that. So I just started a job for the sake of doing a job. But after a month I was like, I don't want to do it, and it is very important to leave things at the right moment. And I was grateful enough that I made that decision. Then I worked for mental health awareness event that
Yeah.
met. And yeah, since then I was preparing for that. And here I am doing my MBA at IIM Udaipur.
For those of you who would want to watch the event video, I would attach her part of the talk at the end of this podcast, like the complete talk. तो वो इवेंट कवर हो जाएगा वो भैया, बट डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में टाइम स्टैम्प्स होंगे ऑब्वियसली, बट